Incremental greetings. So in this video we're going to focus on the trial version of SuperMemo. Then usually you will have the current version, in this case the 19, the prior, the 18, and the second prior, because 3 prior will be already freeware. Then every time you get like half the price. So the prior will be half the price, and the second prior will be half the price once again, or a quarter from the current version. I don't think there's a need for that. Not because you want to pay less money you will do this. I think there's no reason, because SuperMemo is for the very long term, and paying 60 or 70 or 30 in the very long term with years doesn't make much difference. And especially the case that there's not much jump, to be honest, but it's more convenient, so you don't rely on Internet Explorer that is now defunct. Just for that. And remember that you get 10% discount using my link. So it will be cheaper. So what I suggest is the latest version. Always. Feel free. If you really want to buy a cheaper one because you cannot afford it and whatever, go ahead. But if you can afford 63, if you use my link, use the current one. So that's what I will do. Nice. So you can try it without even buying it, like a demo. Nice. Oh, I already have it running. One sec. Oh, I cannot run any version of SuperMemo when installing. Okay, no worries. Once again. Then in my case, I don't want to update, it's a trial version. I will do clean install. SuperMemo 19 trial, because I already have the genuine one installed. SuperMemo 19 trial. For you will be just SuperMemo. Does not need to change the name. Then you will get, by the way, the latest SuperMemo already, which at the time of the recording it's 19.1, and you have the full-fledged SuperMemo. Let me put it here. Full-fledged SuperMemo. You don't have any restriction in capacity that, oh, this feature is not available. No, no, no. You have absolutely everything. What is limited is the amount of actions you can do. So this is a credit. I don't know why it's already 0.8. Perhaps memorizes this because I have installed a trial before on this machine and memorizes that, I guess. And basically, if I do something, do you see that now it increases a little? It should be more than enough that you will get more or less the basics. At least, does it run on my computer? If you use a virtual machine, does it run on my virtual machine? And you can try it just a little before you actually buy it. It's more than enough, but just to let you know that you can go to level professional, and you have absolutely everything. So everything that you will see on my videos on YouTube, you can replicate with the free trial. Then, once expired, you won't be able to use SuperMemo. I mean, there are ways to circumvent that. It's not that hard if you really want to do it. But usually what you're going to do is get a key. And you don't need to then start brand new. So whatever you did, if you have customized the aesthetics, you have created layouts or whatever, you can keep that. The only thing you will need to do is go to File, Installation, and Input Password, and put it here. That's it. You don't need to reinstall or anything. And if you're not sure which version to get, what you can do is download all of the 3 of them. In case you're in budget restriction, you're thinking, oh, it's this, I will go by the 17 because it's the cheapest. Install all of them. You will realize, hey, is it worth the new importer in Windows 19? Install it and try it out. You will be able to do it. Control F8, by the way. And hey, that's something that I cannot do with my version that I have bought already, or the freeware version. So it should be enough to try all of those little all of those features, because not much is added, to be honest. And hey, is it worth? If the answer is yes, you get the key. If no, you just keep the version you have, or you keep the freeware version if you want, or if you bought already SuperMemo 19 back in the day, you just keep it. It's so convenient, the free trial, and especially that it's not time bound, meaning that if you move on from SuperMemo, you go back after a few months or years, you will still be able to use the free trial. It doesn't expire based on time, which is very rare in software. And remember, once you want to buy it, is click on this button, but hey, don't pay 70 USD. Use my link instead. Link in the description, and you will get 10% off. That will be all for now. See you incrementally.